Looking for the best electric toothbrush? We've picked the top 5 options to help you find the perfect one for your needs, from advanced features to long battery life. Check them out for a cleaner, healthier smile. Number 5. Aquasonic Vibe. Series is our 5th pick, but it's still an excellent choice for those on a budget. It features a powerful motor that delivers 40,000 vibrations per minute for a deep and thorough clean. Its sleek, lightweight design with chrome accents makes it comfortable to hold and easy to use. The toothbrush offers 4 modes: clean, soft, whiten, and massage, so you can customize your brushing experience for plaque removal, gum health, and more. With 8 DuPont-engineered brush heads, you can go up to 2 years without needing replacements. The included travel case makes it easy to take with you on the go. The smart timer, with 30-second intervals, reminds you to switch areas of your mouth, while the 2-minute auto shutoff ensures you brush for the right amount of time. The Vibe series is ADA approved, clinically proven to reduce plaque and gingivitis effectively. Its long-lasting battery lasts up to 30 days on a single charge, and it features fast wireless charging. Number 4. The Burst Original Sonic. Toothbrush stands out with its advanced sonic technology, delivering 33,000 vibrations per minute for a powerful yet gentle clean. Its soft, charcoal-infused bristles effectively remove surface stains and plaque while being gentle on your gums. The toothbrush offers 3 modes: whitening for a deep clean, sensitive for gentle brushing, and massage to improve gum health. This makes it a great option for different dental needs. One of its best features is the long-lasting battery, which lasts up to 4 weeks on a single charge, making it perfect for travel or busy schedules. The built-in 2-minute timer, with 30-second intervals, ensures you brush each section of your mouth evenly. The pressure sensor warns you if you're brushing too hard, protecting your gums. The toothbrush is also ergonomically designed, water-resistant, and durable, making it easy to use. Plus, its lifetime warranty gives you extra peace of mind, ensuring you can rely on it for maintaining your oral health. Number 3. Aquasonic Black Series Pro. The Aquasonic Black Series Pro stands out with its advanced technology, offering an impressive 50,000 vibrations per minute for thorough and effective cleaning. This electric toothbrush features 5 distinct modes: clean, soft, whiten, massage, and deep clean, catering to various oral care needs, from plaque removal to gum health improvement. Its built-in smart timers ensure you brush for the dentist-recommended 2 minutes, with 30-second intervals to guide quadrant cleaning. One of the most innovative aspects of this model is the UV sanitizing base, which eliminates 99.99% of germs on brush heads, ensuring optimal hygiene. The 6 included ProFlex brush heads are designed with firmer bristles in the center for tackling stains and softer edges to protect gums, lasting up to 18 months collectively. The toothbrush is also ADA approved, demonstrating its effectiveness in reducing plaque and preventing gingivitis. The sleek design includes a waterproof IPX7 rating and a lightweight handle that feels comfortable during use. Its lithium-ion battery offers up to 4 weeks of usage on a single charge, making it ideal for travel. Number 2. Philips Sonicair 9900 Prestige. This is our runner-up pick and stands out for its advanced SenseIQ technology, which adapts in real time to your brushing style by monitoring pressure, motion, and coverage up to 100 times per second. This ensures a personalized cleaning experience while protecting gums by automatically reducing intensity if you brush too hard. Its sonic technology delivers up to 62,000 bristle movements per minute, effectively removing plaque and leaving teeth feeling professionally cleaned. The all-in-one brush head is designed for versatility, addressing plaque removal, whitening, and gum care without the need for multiple attachments. 5 cleaning modes: clean, white plus, gum health, deep clean plus, and sensitive, can be customized through the AI-powered app. The app also provides real-time feedback and progress tracking, helping users improve their brushing technique over time. The toothbrush's sleek design is complemented by premium accessories like a vegan leather travel case with USB-C charging capability. Its minimalist handle features a single power button, with adjustments made via the app. While the lack of onboard controls may require initial setup effort, the result is a streamlined and intuitive daily routine. Number 1. OralB Genius X. This is the best electric toothbrush you can buy on the market and stands out with its advanced artificial intelligence, which analyzes your brushing style in real time and provides personalized feedback to improve technique. Equipped with motion sensors, it ensures you never miss a spot, guiding you for a thorough clean and healthier gums. Its 3D cleaning action combines oscillating, rotating, and pulsating movements, delivering a powerful yet precise clean that effectively removes plaque without being overly abrasive. The toothbrush offers 6 brushing modes: Daily Clean, Pro Clean, Sensitive, Whitening, Gum Care, and Tongue Cleaning, catering to various oral care needs. The Pro Clean mode is particularly impressive, providing extended cleaning for a comprehensive mouthfeel. The built-in pressure sensor is a thoughtful feature that alerts you if you're brushing too hard, helping to protect your gums from damage. However, it requires significant force to activate, which may not suit everyone. The ergonomic design includes a textured rubber grip for comfort and easy handling. The companion app integrates seamlessly via Bluetooth, offering visual feedback on coverage by mapping your mouth into 6 zones. This feature is especially useful for those new to electric toothbrushes. The lithium-ion battery lasts up to 2 weeks per charge, making it convenient for travel. While it operates at a higher noise level than some competitors, the Genius X excels in performance and innovation.